Citroën is plugging into the future. Continental aims to reduce carbon emissions. Opel at the IAA Mobility 2025. Another safety recall for the Ford Ranger. This is All Things Motoring News. Citroën is plugged into the future. Formula E is now on. Citroën is proud to announce its official commitment to the FIA Formula E Championship starting this coming season, an electric, innovative and passionate adventure that embodies their values and vision for the mobility of tomorrow. Continuing to thrill the hearts of motor racing enthusiasts, Citroën is officially returning to motor racing as a factory team, a field that has shaped its history and legend. Continental aims to reduce carbon emissions. Minimizing rolling resistance has become one of the most important goals in the field of tire development. A primary goal for tire and vehicle manufacturers is to reduce fuel consumption and carbon emissions in vehicles equipped with internal combustion engines, and to extend the driving range in hybrids and electric vehicles by reducing energy consumption. From a sustainability perspective, it doesn't make any difference whether tires are fitted to combustion engines or electric vehicles. Reducing energy consumption is key. Opel at the IAA Mobility 2025. Faster, stronger, more visionary. Opel is showing how highly effective electric mobility combined with emotions, top performance and future-proof driving pleasure can be. Opel is bringing this special motorsport feeling to series production in the form of the new Opel Mokka GSe. The production electric car is just as powerful as its motorsport counterpart with 207 kilowatts. With the immediate torque of 345 Newton meters, the Mokka GSe accelerates from 0 to 100 in just 5.9 seconds. And with a top speed of 200 kilometers an hour, it will soon be the fastest all-electric Opel. Another safety recall for Ford Ranger. Loss of braking boost, anti-lock braking system and modular software update. Ford has indicated that in the affected vehicles, the customer may feel a change in pedal feel or travel with an increase in pedal efforts needed to brake the vehicle due to a loss of the brake boost feature. The anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control and brake warning signals will illuminate. In addition, an audible alert will be sound. Loss of brake boost may cause extended stopping distances, increasing the risk of an accident. There are 5,676 vehicles affected in Southern Africa, South Africa 5,387, Botswana 113, Namibia 157 and Swaziland 19. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by CHANGECARS, the online vehicle trading platform that buyers trust.